Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Yeah, this is my lock screen and these are my wallpapers on my lock screen. So today I'll be showing you how to make yours on this very video, and I know by now you know where to go to change your pictures or to create a new wallpaper. So you go there and you just click on photo shuffle and you go to customize photo. Click on your albums. I've already selected pictures I would love to use, so you can as well do that, or you can just go through your photos and select the pictures you like. Those are your favorite pictures you want to be seeing all the time. So you just click on them, as many as possible. You can use 5, you can use 6, you can use 8. I don't know if you can use 10. Then after clicking on them, you press done. If you like the size of the picture on the wallpaper on the screen, well, no need to pinch or minimize it. You can just leave it like that. But if you don't, you will have to adjust it so it comes out well when you're done. So this is me adjusting mine. Sorry, I'm using just one hand because I need the other hand to hold the phone I'm using to record. So this is me adjusting it so it comes out well when I'm done with everything. So you just put out as many pictures as possible or as many pictures as you like, then you adjust it on the screen. Like I said, you can select as many as possible. It just depends on how many pictures you want to have as your lock screen wallpaper. So you can actually select as many fine pictures as you like. Then when you're done selecting and you're done adjusting and everything, you can also change the time font if you like. If you don't like the fonts you have, you can always change it, and you can make it bold, you can make it slanty, you can make it anyhow you want. There are options for the fonts. But first, let's set how it's going to shuffle. Is it daily you want? Is it hourly? Is it by tapping? Is it on lock? How do you want the pictures to change? You have to set it. When you're done, then this is the font here I am setting. As you can see, there are different fonts, anyone you like, and there are different colors, any color you like. But I like my own plain like that, so I'll just be using this for mine. After that, you can add anything to your screen, and you have your battery, you have Snapchat, you have Messenger, calendar, clock, whatever. But me, I'll just be using the time. Thank you. When you're done, you press done. Then here I want to set the picture I would be using as my main wallpaper. That's my when you open the screen, when you open the lock, the wallpaper you would see. So that's what I'll be setting. So after doing the lock screen wallpaper, you have to set your main wallpaper. After you've done that, just click on done. As you can see, I've clicked on done again, and then my wallpaper is actually set. So this is it, I'm done. So these are my pictures. This is me shuffling my pictures. Anytime I feel like I can just I feel like looking at my fine pictures, I can just go to my wallpaper instead of opening my gallery or photo studio, whatever you call it. I can just check through my wallpaper, or anybody can just hold my phone and see my pictures instead of opening the phone anyhow you want it. So this I set for tapping. When you tap, it will change. You can also set for daily. That means the picture would change every day. You have one picture today, tomorrow it changes by itself. You can also set for hourly. After 1 hour, another picture will show up like that. And you can also set for unlock. Once you use your power button, when you off the phone, not like switching it off totally, no. When you're done with the phone, you want to close the phone for the day, anytime you use the power button again, the picture changes. So let's do that now. So this is it. This is me locking the phone. If I open it, you see the picture has changed. This is for lock. As you can see, anytime I lock the phone, if I press the power button again, the picture changes. So you can use any of that, any at all. I can't show you the one for daily because that means I have to do the video today and tomorrow come back to show you again. No. I hope today's video was helpful. Kindly subscribe if you've not. Thanks and have a nice day. Bye.